Hello, I'm Stephanie Fox. I go by Stephanie. I live in Goodyear, Arizona, and I'm a massage therapist. I have a CNA training as well. I have been I haven't been to school in about 10 years, and only I think 2 of those courses were online. So online courses are new for me. I am planning to become a nurse, starting with a 4-year BSN, and I hope to proceed to become a nurse practitioner. Something unique about me, I just moved here from Canada. My husband is Canadian, and we have been living here for the last 6 years, where we own and operate a chiropractic and massage clinic. And we have found a better opportunity and came down here, and now I get to pursue a different goal.